Hey everyone, it's Glenn Orgin here. Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly build wealth while others struggle? Today I'm going to reveal the secrets to transforming your mindset and habits to unlock your financial potential. Get ready to learn how to make your first million and beyond. The foundation of building wealth starts with your mindset. It's the driving force behind every decision you make and every action you take. Successful people cultivate a millionaire mindset, and so can you. It's about believing you have the ability to create wealth and taking consistent, deliberate actions to achieve it. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe you can build wealth, you'll find ways to make it happen. One of the core principles I live by is wealth follows assets. If you want to increase your income, focus on acquiring and creating assets. These could be anything from real estate, stocks, businesses, intellectual property, or even your personal brand. The more assets you have working for you, the more streams of income you'll generate. It's a simple equation. Mindset times skill set times tool set equals assets, and assets equal wealth. Now let's talk about the power of habits. Habits are small decisions you can make to perform every day. They are the building blocks of your financial future. Wealthy people have habits that lead to financial growth. They have savings, they invest consistently, and they educate themselves continuously and surround themselves with like-minded, successful individuals. Start by adopting small positive habits, like setting aside a portion of your income for investments or reading books on financial education. One of the biggest breakthroughs in my financial journey was understanding the importance of leveraging other people's time and resources. You don't have to do everything yourself. Build a team of experts who can help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Delegate tasks that aren't your strengths and focus on what you can do best. This not only saves you time, but allows you to scale your efforts and achieve greater success. It's also crucial to embrace the concept of delayed gratification. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Don't be tempted by short-term gains that can jeopardize your long-term goals. Invest in assets that will appreciate over time and generate passive income. Remember, the goal is to build solid financial foundation that will provide you and your family for generations. Another key to building wealth is continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and so are the opportunities for wealth creation. Stay ahead of the curve by educating yourself about new trends, technologies, and investment strategies. Attend seminars and take courses and networks with other successful individuals. The more you can learn, the more you can earn. Let's not forget the importance of taking action. Ideas and knowledge are useless without execution. Set clear, achievable goals and take consistent steps towards them every day, even if it's just a little bit. Don't be afraid to fail. Every failure is a lesson that brings you closer to success. Remember, the road to wealth is paved with persistence and resilience. One powerful strategy that has worked for me is creating multiple streams of income. Don't rely on a single source of income. Diversify your investments and look for opportunities to create new income streams. This could be through starting a side business, investing in real estate, or creating digital products. The more streams of income you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Networking is another crucial aspect of building wealth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your goals. Attend networking events, join mastermind groups, and build relationships with mentors and peers. Your network is your net worth. Your connections open doors to new opportunities and collaborations that can accelerate your wealth building journey. Lastly, give back. Wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about making a positive impact on the world. Use your wealth to support causes you care about, and start now. Help others achieve their goals and contribute to your community. Giving back not only feels good, but it also attracts more abundance into your life. It's the law of reciprocity. The more you give, the more you will receive. To take this a step further, let's get into the nitty-gritty of our daily actions that can boost your wealth building journey. Start by setting goals, both short-term and long-term. Make sure to write them down and break them into action steps. For instance, if your goal is to save $10,000 this year, figure out how much you need to save each month to automate your savings. Next, prioritize investing over saving. While saving is important, investing allows your money to grow exponentially. Educate yourself about the difference in investment options like index funds, ETFs, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. Understand the risks and rewards, and don't be afraid to start small. Compound interest is your best friend in building wealth over time. Develop a growth mindset. View challenges and opportunities to learn and grow rather than obstacles. When you're facing a setback, analyze what went wrong and how you can improve. This mindset will allow you to stay resilient and adaptable in the face of financial challenges. Another critical behavior is to live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of life pleasures, but being mindful of your spending. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. The money you save can be redirected towards investments. Learn to negotiate, whether it's negotiating a salary, a business deal, even your monthly bills. Honing your negotiation skills can save you money and increase your income. Don't be afraid to ask what you're worth and advocate for your financial interests. Also, focus on building a personal brand. In today's digital age, your online presence can be a significant asset. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast where you can share your expertise and experience. This is not only helps you build credibility, but can also open up additional income streams through sponsorships, partnerships, and sales of your own products or services. Time management is another essential habit. Wealthy people value their time and use it efficiently. Prioritize your tasks that align with your financial goals and eliminate or delegate low-value activities. Use tools like planners and calendars and productivity apps to stay ahead and be organized and be focused. Remember to take care of your health. Wealth is worthless without health. Invest in a healthy lifestyle, eat nutritious foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A healthy body and a mind will enable you to perform at your best and make sound financial decisions. Cultivate an abundance mindset. Believe that there is enough wealth for everyone that deserves it and you can share it with other people. This mindset will attract opportunities and resources into your life. Practice gratitude for what you have while working towards your goals. Celebrate your successes no matter how small and stay motivated to keep pushing forward. Now, let's incorporate some additional elements and principles. Get an emergency fund. Emphasize the importance of having an emergency fund with your loved ones and those around you. It's crucial to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved to cover unexpected events. Insurance is also important. Discuss different types of insurance that protect wealth, such as health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and property insurance with your agent. If you don't have an agent, go get one. Credit management is also super important. You need to highlight the importance of maintaining a good credit score with you and your family and managing debt effectively. This can save you thousands in interest and open up better financial opportunities. Tax strategies is also important. Provide insights into tax-efficient investing and saving strategies is very important also to you and your family. Understanding tax deductions, credits, and retirement account benefits can significantly impact wealth accumulation. Automation is an important and favorite topic of mine. You should be encouraging everyone around you to automate your finances, such as automatic transfers, savings and investments accounts, to ensure consistent growth without the temptation to spend. Diversification is also really important. To diversify in investment portfolios to mitigate risk and increase potential returns. Include different asset classes within your investments like stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Networking and mentorship is also extremely valuable. Having mentors and a strong professional network can open doors to opportunities, advice, resources that you might not have had available otherwise to you. Also, leverage technology, using financial apps and tools for budgeting, investing, and tracking expenses. This can simplify money management and provide valuable insights into financial habits that you might not already know or be aware of. Continue skill development. Invest in yourself by continually upgrading your skills and education. This increases your earning potential and adaptability into the changing job market. Remember to be goal setting and tracking what you've accomplished. To regularly set, review, and adjust your financial goals. Track your progress to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments to stay on course. Estate planning is also really important. You need to make sure you discuss with those around you the importance of having an estate plan, including wills, trusts, and having a power of attorney to ensure wealth is preserved and passed on according to one's wishes. Passive income streams. Explore the options of passive income with your wife or your family, such as royalties and intellectual property, affiliate marketing, or creating digital products for you and your loved ones. Financial independence and retire early, otherwise known as FIRE. Introduce the FIRE movement and how it can provide a roadmap for financial independence through aggressive saving and investing. Community involvement is very healthy and important for you. Engage in community and charitable activities. Not only does this create positive impact for you, but it can also provide networking opportunities and personal. Mindfulness and emotional intelligence is also a very important topic. You need to make sure that you are mindful and you have a high degree of emotional intelligence in making sound financial decisions. Managing emotions and stress can lead to better financial income. And remember, no one has ever made an important decision while being angry. Now let's bring wisdom of the Japanese philosophies. Shoshin, embrace the beginner's mindset, or Shoshin. Approach every financial decision with an open mind, free from preconceived notions. This allows you to continuously learn and adapt, which is crucial in the ever-changing world of finance. Even as you become more knowledgeable, maintaining this mindset will help you stay curious and help you create new ideas and opportunities. Ikigai. Finding your Ikigai is about identifying what brings joy and meaning to your life. It's a sweet spot where your passion, mission, vocation, and professional intersect. When you align your wealth building activities with your Ikigai, you're more likely to stay motivated and resilient, even during challenging times. This tense sense of purpose can drive and achieve long-term financial success while also bringing personal Kaizen. Another Japanese philosophy. The principle of Kaizen involves making continuous incremental improvements. Apply this philosophy to your financial habits by regularly reviewing and refining your strategies. For example, you might start by saving a small percentage of your income and gradually increase it over time. Or you could begin by learning the basics of investing and progressively dive deeper into more complex topics. Small, consistent improvements can lead to significant financial growth over time. Now, let's discuss some practical steps to integrate these principles into your wealth building journey. Remember, set clear goals. Define what wealth means to you and set clear, measurable goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or starting a business or achieving financial independence, having a clear vision will guide your actions and keep you focused. Educate yourself. Continuously learn about personal finance, investing, and wealth building strategies. Read books, take courses, and follow thought leaders in the finance space. Remember, the more you know, the more empowered you'll be to make informed decisions. Create a budget. Develop a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Track your income and expenses to ensure you're living within your means and save for the future. Use budgeting tools and apps to simplify the process and stay on top of your finances. Invest wisely. Start investing as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and maximize returns. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a personalized investment strategy. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely solely on one source of income. Explore opportunities to create additional income streams such as side businesses, real estate investments, or passive income from dividends and royalties. Diversifying your income can provide financial stability and accelerate your wealth building efforts. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. Attend networking events, join online communities, and seek out mentors who can provide the guidance and support you need. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and resources. Practice gratitude and mindfulness. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for what you have, what you can strive for. Make sure to practice mindfulness and stay present and focus on your goals. This can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being, make it easy to stay motivated and make financial decisions. By integrating these Japanese philosophies into your wealth building strategy, you can develop a more holistic approach that's balanced and to achieve your financial success. Remember, building wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about creating a life of purpose, fulfillment, and continuous growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Let's continue this journey together, and until next time, stay curious, stay focused, and keep building your wealth. Thank you.